Did you know that there are 6 different styles of menu buttons at the bottom of the 8.4 Uconnect radio? Welcome back. My name is Brandon Haneline, your Jeep informant, and today we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL body 8.4 Uconnect radio. I want to show you how to change the style of the menu buttons down on the bottom row. Now, if this is your first time here, this channel is all about making you smarter about your Jeep. Now, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that down below, and let's get started. Now, first off, we need to find the setting button. So go ahead and click that, and then we want to find display. So click display. Now set theme. Okay, and now we have like multiple choices here, and right now we got the 1. So when you set it to 2, you see it's got the little square style there. That's pretty cool, and you know, it even changes the background also. So there's number 5, and you can see the style of soft touch menu buttons there has changed, and even the background changes along with the style. Now you can't change the style of buttons and the actual backdrop itself, and I haven't found a way. Oh, that one's cool. I like that little blue. It's like racing or something like that. I haven't found a way to put your a picture on the back screen yet, like a backdrop or a screensaver. There's some ice and snow there. That's pretty neat, but I'm still working on that. I've got a video coming out here soon with the JL Taser, which is an aftermarket plug-in to the OBD port, which changes a lot of settings, and I'm hoping they have added that in there to where you can add your own personal picture to the background of the radio. Now, as you can see, there are 17 totally different layouts, so pick the one you like and enjoy it. Now, I want to give a special thanks to my fellow patrons that support this channel. You are very much appreciated, and we'll be talking to you in the chat. Now, if you want to know more about Patreon and the rewards that I offer for being a Patreon member, make sure you click the link down in the description area. Other than that, I hope you're smarter now than you were when you started this video. We'll talk to you later, guys, and we'll see you next time.